Hi, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. Yourself?
Good.
Doing great for an old man. You're the typewriter guy. I'm Dave.
I am Young.
Young?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Here you go.
Okay. So, can you tell me about this typewriter?
About what?
Tell me about this typewriter.
My father had it for, God, a million years.
Million.
He used to be he was a railroad engineer and he got involved with the union. So he needed a typewriter. And my mother used to type. She was telling me that when she learned how to type, there were no numbers on the keys. It was all black.
Oh, yeah.
I can't see how you would learn how to type with a black keys.
No letters.
No, nothing. No letters, no numbers.
I don't know how you do that.
I mean, it's a good shape.
Yeah, yeah.
I imagine it's from like the 40s or 50s.
Old. Yeah.
Very old ribbon, yes.
Yeah, still there. Yeah, amazing. Still
I put a
there.
piece of paper in it that actually did type.
Oh, you did check.
Yeah,
Okay.
it works.
Let's see. There is a serial number. But there, I think.
Probably needs to be cleaned up a little. It's been sitting around a long time.
Yeah. KMM. Do you know the Paul Buck, the lady author of the Good Earth?
Oh, yeah?
She used this typewriter for a lot of novels.
Oh, yeah? The Royal?
Yeah, the same model, I think, KMM.
Oh, I wouldn't have known where to look.
Yeah.
But that's good, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Good, yeah.
Yeah, I moved it from out of the basement, brought it up here so I could
Yeah.
photograph it.
It's,
See if anybody
we-
could use it.
yeah, we need to clean the inside.
Yeah, it needs
but,
to be
yeah,
cleaned up.
Yeah, absolutely, right?
Very old.
Yeah, but except that, I think everything okay. Yeah, so,
See, the action's still really smooth.
yeah. Tap. Yeah. So we need a tap clean base. Okay. Tap clean. Yeah, it looks good. Everything. Looks good.
Yeah, my mother used to do the typing for him, and Dad would dictate
Okay.
when he was big with the union. Oh, yeah, we got cats all over.
That's yours?
No, that's across the street.
Even this typewriter has a cover. Long time ago. It's a New Jersey number, right?
Yeah,
New
that's
Jersey, yeah.
next town over is Collingswood.
Oh, see. Collingswood. So very close to here, right?
Yeah, right over Cuthbert Road.
Uh-huh.
Did you have any trouble finding it?
No. It's easy.
Yeah, this is an easy place to find. I tell people that.
Okay. So we need to clean this one. I want to keep this one because,
Sure.
yeah, there is a history. All right. Thank you, sir. Holberg used this typewriter a lot, but for good Earth, she used another typewriter. I guess that's the Royal P model. But her office, you can see this typewriter there. Exactly same model, same color. Cosmetically very good condition. The keys are very beautiful, and especially these square keys. I like this kind of keys. Very beautiful. This is ribbon direction, and then this is color choice, and then this is tap clear, tap set, and then tap. Let me see the how can you set up tap, and then how can you clean the tap. First, at this point, if you wanted to set up tap, just push it, this one, okay? Then we move like this, and then hit the tap, then this carriage stop on that tap, see? And then in order to move, it's very simple. Just at this point, we need to push tap clear. I will show you how it works. This whole gear or tap step, if you set up the tap, that means one this one put back, right? This one is like a different shape, right? Clear means we push this one back to the original position. So let's see, if we hit the tap, it can be stopped from this point. I can push the tap. It's already here. I can hit this one. It will be stopped here around there. I put the tap like this, and then clear. If we clear tap, that means after see, I mean now I push this one. Then we'll see what happened. Yeah, it's gone. It's exactly same level, right? And then make even, that means clear tap. Okay, yeah. And then this is I think I am not exactly sure, but this is the first matching margin typewriter. That's why they use the, let me see. The name is the KMM-3303698, the serial number. First KMM is a model name, and then 3303698 is a serial number. The MM means magic margin. So I guess this one is the first one for the magic margin. I already explained the other video how to work the magic margin, but this one is the first one, so little bit easier, or a little bit it's good to understand what is the magic margin. Okay, there is a magic margin button right here, margin button here. It's a right margin, and then this is a left margin. To set up, we draw this button into the front, and then we can move this one certain point. After that, this is different. After that, we need this button put back to the original position like this. Then it's set up. So we cannot move them more. Okay. Same thing for the right margin. If you go, that means it should set up the right margin right now. So in order to change it, we draw this right margin, and then we move this one to the certain point like this. After that, we need this one put back. That's set up. Remember this position like this. That's the right margin. Let's see. You cannot move. Yeah, you see the bell, right? Yeah, that's the right margin. Yeah. So before I explain for this, they use inside two different spring, one for the right margin, one for the left margin, and then spring move this one to the center position. Another spring try to move this one to center position, but these margin buttons hold the margin stop. The behind here, that's why we can set up the margin. So that's a good idea. That's why they named it the magic margin. Okay, and then for the line space line, right now it's set up for one, right? One here, and then this is just double space, and then triple. Okay, single line space, double, triple, like this. And then for variable, this, then we can move a little bit more. It's a variable. It's up to you. It's up to you. This function exactly the same with this button. After push it, we can do the exactly same. Okay, that means release the inside this. So that's why this part does not move. Right now it's move, right? But after push, that part does not move. Same thing, like this. Oh, it's different, a little bit different. This one, even though this part move, but we can set up the variable space. So that means this release the around this gear, and then this release the around this gear. Same function, but little bit different way. Okay. Okay. This is a regular line space. Then it's advanced, carrier advance. And then this is paper. And then one more thing, they have touch control. Yeah. So like this control. More hard, more soft. Yeah. Okay, and then it's still very clear letters. There we go. It's overall very good cosmetic condition. Let's see some sample typing. Very clear. I didn't change the ribbon, but still it's very good. Especially I want to thank you for the previous owner. Actually he got this one from his father. His name is Mr. David Friant. He give me a huge discount, and then also he donate some small amount to my project. So I want to thank you again.